Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hopefully everyone's doing well today, and happy to be back in school. I guess you're not technically in school today. It's distance learning, but hopefully everyone's rested. All right, so let's get into things. Let's kind of go through. This is that agenda video, kind of telling you what's coming up, and also kind of what do you need to do today on this distance learning Monday. All right. So let's kind of. I'm just going to kind of go through these next 2 weeks. So today, distance learning. What I want you to do today is fill out a kind of a self-assessment survey. I'm going to have a survey with all the different topics that we've covered this year on it, and it's going to have a little scale 1 to 5. How well do you know this on a scale of 1 to 5? Things like the atomic structure. How well do you know atomic structure on a scale of 1 to 5? How well do you know isotopes on a scale of 1 to 5? Well, I don't know isotopes at all. I don't even remember what an isotope is. Well, then put a 1. And then, or maybe you're like, yeah, I know isotopes. Easy. That's easy. Then hit 5. I'm going to go through and look at this survey from all of my students and kind of see what we need to go over. So I want you guys to do that on Monday. That way I can look over it Tuesday through Friday and kind of come up with a game plan for reviewing. Reviewings are going to be going on the 11th, 12th, and 13th. Okay. So what are we going to actually be doing the 5th through the 8th up here? So this is all going to be a bunch of types of reactions demos. So if you guys remember those types of reactions, synthesis, decomposition, single, double replacement, combustion, we're going to go through and do some demos. These are fun little, just messing around, throwing chemicals together and see what happens. This is the baking soda and vinegar type of thing. It's like so we're gonna go through, and it's not gonna be a full-on lab. That's why I say it's demos, just to show you what these things look like. Each of these are gonna have kind of like a little one question notes type thing that you're going to write up and send in. It's not going to be anything bad, like a paragraph, just a paragraph on what is happening here. So that's what's going to be happening the 5th through the 8th. Yeah. We'll also go through and can be doing some reviewing. Let's say that, in the first day we get through the demos super quickly. We'll stop and do some review, see what everyone wants to go over. All right. Why are we doing so much reviewing? Well, it's because the finals for this semester are going to be the 14th and 15th. 14th and 15th. This is the end of the semester. I know it's kind of weird. Semesters usually end at winter break, but not this year, COVID. So, 14th and 15th. What are the finals going to look like? So this year it's, again, a little weird. Powers that be have said that instead of 2-hour finals, we're going to have 1-hour finals. I'm not a big fan of this. I'm going to be honest with you. Mainly because I like to give my final to have lots of questions. Because finals in general are worth at least 10% of your grade. So it's a big chunk of your grade. I think it's going to be around 150, 200 points, something like that. It's going to be a big part of your grade. And if if the test time is only, is 2 hours, if the test time is 2 hours, then I can have, 150 questions on there. And so, 1 point per question, now it's going to be down to about 50 questions. If it's 50 questions or 50 or 60 questions, something like that, and that's, 2-3 points per question, which means that if you make a bonehead mistake on one, it's going to hurt you a lot more. Not a fan, but that's the way it is. So be. All right. In general, what is the final going to look like? Multiple choice, 100%. 100% multiple choice. Just A, B, C, D, maybe a couple true or false or something like that. Nothing terrible. 100% multiple choice. No calculations, no naming, or if there is naming, you'll have 4 choices to pick from. And then no free response either. Just 100% multiple choice. So I haven't figured out the exact number of questions yet. I would imagine it's going to be 30 to 70, somewhere in there. I don't know. 30, let's say 30 to 100. I don't know exactly how many yet. They've kind of. I'm gonna have to just not rewrite, but re-edit my final because of that shortened time. I will let you guys know as soon as it's available. But 100% multiple choice, X number of questions, probably, 30 to 60, I would imagine. Let's say 30 to 60. All right, so that's that. If you have questions, comments, and or concerns, you can always talk to me through the normal channels. I will see you guys on Tuesday to make some stuff explode, I guess. I don't know. Well, we're doing experiments for this first week. All right, see you guys on Tuesday.